Between Kraken's $1 million spent on subpoena responses in 2019 and stories like the $2 million it cost Blockstack to raise $23 million in insect-compliant token sale, 8.7% of the raise, it begs the question, will compliance costs fundamentally limit innovation by demanding big war chests to play? Will the most successful companies be those that, like Block 1, simply raise enough to pay off the regulators on the back end? Later, we look at new mining interests in Texas, what it means for American mining and Bitcoin mining in the lead up to the halving more broadly. Finally, we'll dissect an op-ed from the IMF's chief economist on the strength of the dollar over digital alternatives. Topics discussed. Kraken annual transparency report shows off growing regulatory inquiries and increasing cost of compliance. Related article, law enforcement data requests rose by almost 50% in 2019, says Kraken. Global interests in giant Texas-based Bitcoin mining operation. Related article, SPI. Go to rent capacity at massive Bitcoin mine in Texas, report IMF's chief economist on why digital currencies don't threaten the dollar as global reserve currency status. Related article, digital currencies won't replace us dollar anytime. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.